Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hey you guys, what's going on? Josh, what are we making today?
Today we are going to be making coffee cake muffins with a pecan crumble.
Pecan crumble? Why a pecan crumble?
Pecan crumble because my dear mother-in-law,
My mom, Bertie Kinsey,
brought me a ton of pecans.
my family's from Archer City, Texas, but they live near a town called Wichita Falls that has the world famous pecan shed. They're all about pecans, and my mom brings him pecans.
Every time she visits, she brings me pecans. When I go to Archer City, she gives me pecans.
He loves pecans, and my mom has zeroed in on that, so she's like, I'll give you pecans.
So I have 2 bags of pecans. I have the whole pecans and the chopped pecan pieces that she gave me.
A lot of times you just eat them like crazy.
Oh my gosh, they're like my weakness. Sometimes she gives me the candy pecans, which stay in the house about a day.
You can't take it.
I can't.
This time, with the pecans my mom brought, you thought you would make
Coffee cake muffins with a little pecan crumble. With this crumble, you don't have to use pecans. You can actually leave it without nuts or add walnuts or even almonds if you'd like.
nuts or no nuts, people.
Yeah, it's up
but
to you.
today, we're doing them with pecans.
Pecans for you, Bertie.
For Bertie. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, here are the ingredients you're going to need. 1 1/2 cups flour, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup milk, 1/3 cup canola oil, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup applesauce. And for the topping, you will need 1/4 cup flour, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 3 tablespoons cold butter, 1/4 cup pecans. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and then we're going to take the muffin tin and line them with the baking cups.
Ooh, that sounds like a job for me.
I think you can do that. I have more jobs for you today.
What?
Don't you worry.
Gonna put the little paper thingies in. You're gonna equate whatever job Josh gives me to the ones you can give your children.
Oh, that's not true. That's not totally true.
Not totally true. A little true. All right, what's next?
Okay, so next we're gonna work in a team here. So you're gonna make the pecan crumble, and I'm going to make the coffee cake mixture. First thing you're going to do is to take the cubed butter, the flour, and the brown sugar and the nuts, all of it. Just put it all. So you're gonna take the pastry blender.
You guys, look what I get to do today.
I know, it's very sharp though, so be careful.
Okay.
So you're gonna take this and you're just gonna kind of press down and try to crumble it all up into little pieces.
Okay.
Okay?
Ooh.
Okay, while she's making the crumble, I'm going to make the coffee cake mixture. So you have the flour, the brown sugar, the baking powder, the baking soda, the salt, and the cinnamon. And we're gonna mix these all together with the whisk.
This is oddly satisfying.
I know.
I kind of love it.
Whenever I'm really stressed out, I'll come down and I'll take the pastry blender, make pies and stuff.
That's not creepy.
So now I'm going to do the wet mixture. The egg, the milk, and the canola oil in this big bowl, and then I'm gonna mix it all together with the whisk. So now I'm gonna add the dry mixture into the wet mixture and mix it up really good. So this batter actually will be a little thick. And you don't want to over-mix this batter at all, okay? So once it's just mixed together, you can stop. And now a little trick that I like to do with the batter, I like to add a little bit of applesauce to the mix.
What?
And that just makes the coffee cake really moist when you take it out.
I have heard that in baking, moist is important.
It's good. Gross word, good for baking.
Not a gross word. Let's just own it.
It's a little gross.
Let's just own the word moist.
Okay, I'll let you rub my moist feet later.
Oh, gross. Okay, fine.
All right, how you doing?
I'm good. I'm just it's sticking a lot.
And you do have to take like a spoon or a fork to kind of get out of the crevices of the pastry blender.
So how'd I do?
You did great. No, this looks great. It's like nice and crumbly, dry.
Thank you.
Yeah, good job, baby.
You're welcome. It
All right.
tastes really good.
Now we're ready to put the batter into the muffin tins.
So I have to tell you guys, my hairdo today, my daughter always says I look like my character on The Office when I have my hair back. But I feel like this is kind of the Angela Martin ponytail. Because
Oh,
she
yeah.
always did the side sweep. Whenever I wear my hair in a ponytail, that's like usually when I'm most
Oh my
recognized,
gosh,
right?
it's ridiculous. Just that little change makes such a difference.
Crazy. Do you
Yeah.
guys think I look like Angela Martin? I don't know.
Do the face. I think so.
Judging you.
Oh man, I don't know if I like that.
Angela
Okay.
Martin would love you because you
so?
bake and you have cats.
Oh, that's true. That's
She
true.
wouldn't eat your baked goods.
That's
probably.
true. Just have to get rid of Dwight.
Oh,
Kidding.
don't say that.
I know. Don't say that.
Where's Dwight? You know, like when you're at that point in your relationship where people think you start like dressing the same or acting the same.
Pretty soon we're gonna start looking the same.
Oh no, that's gonna be odd. I came downstairs this morning. I'm in a hoodie I bought while I was working in Vancouver. This is his shirt from Vancouver.
I got in Vancouver.
In Vancouver. So I was
Yeah.
like, babe, what's the deal? We didn't know. We're both dressing in our Vancouver garb. But maybe we're both just missing Vancouver.
That's true. I love Vancouver.
It was beautiful.
Yeah.
It was beautiful. We went to this place called Deep Cove.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, it was so pretty. Everywhere we went was pretty though. The seawall.
It's just so green and lush.
So pretty.
Yeah.
Anyway, just saying, we're not paid to sponsor like
Visit Vancouver, the Northwest.
Canadian tourism. But anyway.
We're available though. So
Yeah.
we are done with the batter.
Okay.
So we filled about halfway full. Now you put the topping on. So
Okay.
1 spoonful at a time to start with.
Sprinkle it on top.
Sprinkle it on top. Do that for each cup, and
Okay.
then we'll see if we have any extra. Then we'll sprinkle the extra on as well.
Okay.
I like a lot of crumble on my coffee cake.
You do. You know why? Because you are obsessed with pecans. There's never enough pecans for you.
There's not. I'm like craving it right now. I would eat that whole bowl actually.
I actually have been snacking on it. It's pretty good.
All right, so now we're just gonna put these in the oven for 18 minutes at 400 degrees, and that's it.
That's it.
That's it.
This is an easy one, guys. Easy.
All right, guys, here you go.
Ta-da!
Coffee cake muffins with pecan crumble.
Yum. All right, let's have a little bite.
For a little bite.
Let's have a bite. So good.
Those are really good.
So yummy.
And really pretty easy, too.
Yes. And thank you, Mom, for bringing us pecans.
Bertie.
Thank you, Bertie.
Anytime you want to bring pecans, I love it.
All right, you guys. We'll see you next week.
All right, bye, guys.
Bye. Have a great week. Mwah. So let's get started.
Yeah.
Getting old is awesome.
It's so fun. It's
Getting
so fun.
old is great.
I should make like a horror, like baking,
No.
like movie.
Oh gosh.
There's so many tools you could use.
Josh is all about being precise in the kitchen. La 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 la